In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Google Sheets with specific email address. By the end, you'll be able to give the right person access to the exact spreadsheet you want, with the right permissions and a clear notification. First, open your web browser and head to Google. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account for the spreadsheet you plan to share. If you use separate personal and work accounts, glance at the top right profile icon and switch if needed, so you avoid sharing from the wrong account. Next, click the grid icon in the top right corner of the Google homepage. This is the Google Apps Launcher, the small square made of dots. From the menu that opens, choose Sheets. If you don't see it right away, scroll within that panel or use the search bar to find it. Once Google Sheets opens, locate and open the spreadsheet you want to share. You can click it from the Recent section or use the search box at the top to quickly find it by name. Give it a moment to load so all sharing options are available. Inside your spreadsheet, look to the top right corner and click the Share button. This opens the sharing window where you control access. Here's where you'll add the specific person. In the field labeled Share with People and Groups, start typing the email address of the person you want to share with. Double-check for typos to ensure the invite reaches the correct inbox. To the right of the address, use the drop-down to choose the permission level. Viewer, if they only need to read, commenter if they should leave feedback, or editor if they'll make changes. Pick the least permissive level that still lets them do their job. This helps protect your data. You can choose to notify the person you're sharing with. Leaving Notify People checked sends them an email invitation, so they know they now have access. If you're coordinating through another channel and don't want an email sent, simply uncheck it. If you keep notifications on, you can also add a brief message. This is a great place to include context like what the sheet contains, what you need them to do, and any deadlines or notes they should keep in mind. When everything looks good, click Send. If your organization has restrictions or you're sharing outside your domain, you may see a confirmation. Approve it if you recognize the recipient. That's it. Your sheet is now shared with the specific email address. You can revisit the Share button anytime to adjust permissions or remove access later.